I'm removing the hollow die now. I just finished extruding the drop, and I use the handle to push the extra clay down. There is a little bit of suction, so you have to lift back just slightly. And when it comes out, try to clean off as much as you can off the bottom of the die. You see, I just have the thumb screws finger tight. You want to be extremely careful when you're cleaning the support off that you don't get clay back into those threaded holes. If you do that, you're going to need to stop and wash them out, because clay in that threaded hole will stop it from working properly. Just remove the dies. Clean off the extra clay. Now, let me get a little different camera angle and I'll show you how I clean this off. Okay, I'm going to move away from the center of that hole to clean off the extra clay. And then you can remove the die support once you get the clay out of the way.